Hello everyone, I've got something very cool here. These are two F1 cars from the Red Bull racing team from the brand Sparky in a 1/64 scale. My first F1 cars in the collection in a 1/64 scale. And they're basically the same, but one is from Max Verstappen and the other one is from Sergio Perez. Now, like I said, from the brand Sparky, the brand is known for diecast racing cars. Here you have the back, first the frame if you want to read it. Ooh, and we can see it's a licensed product. That is what we like. Now, let's take it out of the box. Okay, we're going to take a look at the one from Max Verstappen. Let's open the box right here. There we go. It comes in a nice display. Oh, careful. Let's switch to super detailed camera. Pooh, I have to say, my God, this looks good for a 1/64 scale. And there's even a driver inside. I have seen that a Mini GT is also coming with a Red Bull Formula 1 car version. So I'm going to order that one as well. And I can compare it with this one. This one looks already very cool. Can we see the steering wheel? Let's see, where are you? There are you. Okay, no. I don't see any details on the steering wheel. What a fantastic casting. Wow. Okay, let's take it off the base. Oh, I don't need a screwdriver. We can do it like this, right? Or how does it work? How does this work? Okay, you have to turn it and then you can take it off. What? It's my first Sparky model, so I have no idea how this works. Oh, there we go. There it is. Okay, so here we got the base. And the wheels are rolling. Yeah, wheels are rolling really good. Awesome. Feels very light. I think most of it is plastic, but let's be honest, in real life, this Formula 1 car is also very light. Yeah, I'm really impressed what they did. Whoa. Of course, they don't put any antennas on it. Then you have to buy a bigger scale. But already very pleased that they put a driver inside and even the helmet. Look at all those details. Let's see if I can come a little closer. Yeah. Very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the one from Perez. I don't think there's much different on the car, but I do think the helmet looks a little bit different. Yeah. But I think the car is the same. Let's put them next together. See, the car is the same, but only the helmet is different. What an amazing Formula 1 cars in a 1/64 scale. I've ordered them at Tom's, and I will leave a link in the description of where to buy, of where I bought it at Tom's. Really cool. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with your diecast friends, and I will see you soon. Happy hunting. Bye.